Hey y'all, today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade butter using heavy whipping cream and a stand mixer. Let's go. Today I'm using the 32 ounces of heavy whipping cream from Kroger. We're going to be using the Sebury stand mixer with the beater attachment. So take your entire 32 fluid ounces of heavy whipping cream, pour it directly into your mixing bowl. On the side of your mixer, it has this dial, which we're going to turn up to 3 to start with. The beater tool is going to mix this really well, and it's going to do this in a slow process. We're going to mix for about 20 minutes, but every 5 minutes, turn the dial up a couple notches. On the last 5 minutes, I usually turn it all the way up to 9. You can tell it's working because the cream will start to thicken and make a nice consistency. Go ahead and turn your dial up again. Just keep watching it. Homemade butter is a little bit of a process, but it's not hard to do at all. Imagine the money you're going to be saving. Doing butter this way is going to be less fattening. Okay guys, upon checking it, look at that homemade butter. It's not hard to do at all, but you should be very proud of yourself. You literally just made an entire thing of butter with 32 fluid ounces of heavy whipping cream. Let's taste test it. Here it goes. That is so good. You can either leave the butter, but I'm going to add salt to it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt. You don't need much. Just whip it back up and put it in a container. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and don't forget to follow me for more. I will link the mixer below so that you can buy one for yourself. See you soon.